धन्यवाद।
I want to thank the Honourable Speaker for introducing local, regional and English language into the Vidhan Sabha.
Yes.
मैं इस सदन की दूसरी बार की सदस्य हूँ, तो पिछले सात बार जब मैंने बजट पे बोला है, अभिभाषण पे बोला है, तो हिंदी में बोला है. So I'll take this opportunity to speak in English today. Okay. I was trained in this language, and I'll give it its due respect. First of all, I want to congratulate my Honourable Chief Minister and the entire UP government for a very, very successful Mahakumbh Ayojan, in which more than 66 crore people participated. What happens with congregations like these, what happens with events like the Mahakumbh, is it changes the perception not just of the state but of the entire nation. I myself was very lucky to have studied abroad. A lot of my friends from other countries, from various other countries, visited Prayagraj, visited the Mahakumbh Mela. I myself went with a lot of foreign delegatories, and it is a model that is now being studied across nations. Within different countries, they are studying how the Mahakumbh was organized in Uttar Pradesh, and it has become a development model of sorts for many other countries as well. So I want to thank my Honourable Chief Minister for this fantastic organization of this great congregation. Alongside, just yesterday, the Honourable Chief Minister honoured many of the Safai Karmis and the Swasth Karmis by giving them a bonus of 10,000 rupees and increasing various facilities that they can get from the state government, including insurance of up to 5 lakhs for our Safai Karmis. I want to thank the Honourable Chief Minister for that. This has been a very good budget, one of the largest budgets in the country that has been presented by the Uttar Pradesh government. I, especially being a woman, want to congratulate and thank our Honourable Minister, our Honourable Finance Minister, for bringing in schemes like the Rani Lakshmibai Scooty Yojana, under which a lot of bright young girls will be further, they'll have more motivation to study harder, to work harder. This is a fantastic, and we do stuff like this in our own Vidhan Sabhas as much as we can. So this is going to be a great initiative for girls. I also want to thank the Honourable Finance Minister for having a very good budget for data centers. As we know, the data center in Greater Noida that has been opened by Hiranandani ji with Yota has been a game changer in the space of technology and AI. Alongside, because I know there are a lot of people willing to speak and wanting to speak, I don't want to take up that much time, but Honourable Minister Dayasankar ji has given me a wonderful PPP model bus stop, and I thank him for that. I also want to remind him of his promise for another workshop that is to be awarded to Raebareli district, and our Honourable Speaker sir is here. Speaker Saab, I was just saying thank you so much for also introducing the English language into the Southern. We are getting closer to the Parliament day by day by introducing various local, regional and English language. I wanted to also thank the Honourable Chief Minister and Finance Minister for the North-South corridor, which is going to further improve infrastructure, especially connectivity. And last but not the least, I would really like to thank the Honourable Chief Minister, the Honourable Finance Minister, the Uttar Pradesh government for the wonderful law and order that we are provided with as a state, in our state. As a woman, and I speak to many young women all the time about this, many young students, being a female MLA myself. And I think the one thing that women want the most, need the most to succeed is law and order. And the Yogi government has unprecedentedly done very, very good work on this. And I thank my government for this, I thank my Honourable Chief Minister for this, and my Honourable Speaker Sahab for giving me the opportunity to speak. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind.